just decorate 2 candles. These are gonna be for my own home decor because I have a nice like fruit bowl and I was thinking maybe it needs something more, so I am doing 2 candles. So firstly I got these 2 candles, then I got a matching napkin kind of, which will look good with my fruit bowl. And now I am just taking off the excess of the napkin before we're gonna glue it on the candle itself. And what I would like to know is, are you like me? Are you like to be like matching decor or something? And yeah, if I don't buy it or I cannot buy it, I will make it. So tell me, are you like this? So here it is, and now I just put some parchment paper over my napkin, and then with a heating gun I am melting the wax of the candle. So technically I am gluing the napkin in. Just be careful so you don't melt too much. So as you can see, I am going very fast and not stay in one place for too long. So this takes some time, but it is worth at the end. So, and next, technically everything is glued, but I like a little bit shimmer and so I am applying my glitter decoupage glue onto it as well, and I let it dry. And then I am applying some glaze as well for a nice shiny look, finish look of my candle. And yes, please, this candle is really only for decorative use. Don't use it to burn it down because paper burns, right? So now onto the top. I have to, firstly I thought I'm gonna decorate the bottom, then I was like, no, I'm gonna decorate the top of my candle. So firstly I am doing some grapes because I didn't have a grape mold, so I am doing it myself. So for this I'm using some molds and of course air drying clay and express glue from Pentart. If you want to know what material I used, just check the description box below and you will see it. And if I cannot find the same exact thing I use, I will put something similar to it in the description box. So as you can see, I am trying to decorate my candle all the way around. So for this I am using different kinds of molds. And after everything is glued onto my candle, I let the air drying clay dry before I start painting it. So the top of my candles are decorated, and now it's time to decorate the bottom a little bit too. And for this I am using golden wire which sticks onto the candle, and I'm tracing it all the way around the candle, and then I just cut off the excess, of course, and I'm doing it on both of my candles. And now it's time to paint the top of my candle. So of course for this I'm using acrylic paints, and I am painting it all the way. I mean, I think there were some sunflowers, some strawberries, grapes and such. So everything is painted all the way around, and then I let it all dry. And after it is dry, it was time to seal my clay part, of course, as well. So for this I am using matte varnish. Of course you can use glossy one as well, and as usual this varnish is water-based. And after I applied it all on my candles, I let it all dry, and then for a little bit of shimmer I used wax paste to add onto my clay design. And now I am curious to know, what do you think? We are done with my candle. So it is nice and finished. It was an easy project. Well, okay, the clay part took me a while. So here are they all finished, and let me know if it's a good matching stuff to my fruit bowl, which will be available to see soon. If you like it, please do subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, please do give me a nice comment or a thumbs up, and let me know what you think. Until next time, bye.